Guys, what's up? The Pigeon Guy here. Yeah, guys, just with another video here. Trying to get a lot of videos out now. And thank you guys for watching my videos, supporting my channel. That means a lot. And yeah, guys, just want to show you some birds. Look here. Favorite. And yeah, guys, chilling. This one, this one is going to a cousin of mine. So he's not going to stay here. Birds. He's also building my loft. So yeah, guys, pigeon racing game is getting big here. Yeah, guys, very good. They're looking in great condition. Look here, guys. I want to show you this pigeon quickly. Yeah, beauty, just beauty, man, beauty. Yeah, I was going to send her to a one lot, but yeah, thinking about it now. So yeah, guys, this is a new pig. That one and that one. Yeah, yeah, new. Not new to the loft. New, just new here. Because they're going to breed for me. And yeah, but let's check out the breeding birds. Yeah, guys, I didn't clean yet. Look here, guys, amazing, really. I say, really amazing. There's better with a cousin. There's the father there. You go, guys. Some babies here also. Big bully. That's big bully. That's big bully. Big bully. Here's the father, guys, of that one. I'm now gonna. Here's the mother. Here's the mother. Oh shit! Sorry, guys. There's the mother. And yeah. Here's the breeding bird. It's selling now. I'm gonna clean after they are weaned. I'm gonna clean here. And yeah. Big bully. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoy the content. And there's also a baby there. Hope you enjoy the content, guys. And yeah, stay safe, stay blessed. And I will let you up with another video soon. Peace.